Yo, YouTube, we are back in the house with another video, and it's a recap. It's the end of the week. It is a Friday, the end of the trading week, ready to go into the weekend, and we did phenomenal this week. We made $13,500 right there, and let me break down obviously the week as well. So Monday we made $7,000, the big juicy one. Tuesday was obviously 2,000, Wednesday 2,000, Thursday 600, and today very light because I want to get my payout 200. So we're making a $5,000 payout, which is absolutely amazing, which you guys can see the payout in process right there. So let me kind of break down the market overall, what it did to the week and obviously the day. So stay tuned. There's a lot of information out here, and especially if you guys are new traders or new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys are actually looking for a little bit more help or a little bit of mentorship, I have a team that I trade live with every single day and show you guys how to actually trade these crazy future markets. Link will be down below. Other than that, let's kind of break this down. So you guys know recently I've been trading on my express funded 50K. We're actually hopefully gonna get this funded into a live maybe in the next couple weeks, which will be pretty nice. Pretty nice. But yeah, let's kind of break down the overall market today. Well, we had 3 red folder newses, which there's the red folder newses, and those are at 7:30 Central Time, my time. A lot of news, a lot of craziness. So I kind of didn't even place a trade until 8:30 open bell, which was actually, let me zoom in here. This is the 5-minute time frame right here. And the biggest thing I kind of wanted to wait for, the biggest thing I kind of wanted to do is, it's a Friday. I didn't want to go crazy with my position. I didn't want to go crazy with my account, right? First things first, I want to get that $5,000 payout on my account. And again, I don't want to get into the week or into the weekend red. No trader wants that. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to wait and just go light, maybe 1 NQ, maybe 5 micros. And that's exactly what I did. So you guys can see if we go to a smaller time frame, market opened, let me see, 8:30, which was right here on this candle. So let me zoom in here for a little bit. So this was obviously that 7:30 crazy news that came out right here. Again, hands off, not touching it. So then obviously this was the highest pre-market level, which again was right here. And you guys can see, I will obviously go ahead and chart that out as so, and I'm like, you know what, let's just wait. Market's open. Not really interested currently in anything crazy. Let's just see how price action reacts. Let me go to the 1 minute real quick. Okay, and the biggest thing, let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. 1 minute, 8:13. Here, I just want to make sure we're at the right time here. Yep, 7:30, 7:45, 8 was 8:30. All right, cool. Just want to make sure that I was looking at the right thing for you guys. Okay, so obviously market opened on this candle. Now I wasn't even really interested in longs unless we broke above this pre-market high with a crazy push. Never happened, right? So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait and not really do anything. So what happened was we just came down, and I'm always looking for price action. I'm always looking to see how aggressive buyers are, how aggressive sellers are, or neither or. And when we were waiting for this little pullback and then a jump here, I'm like, okay, let's see how strong buyers are going to step up to the market. And you guys can see we got slapped right down and sellers were taking control. So I'm like, you know what, I am really liking a certain play. I am really liking a potential short here at this previous low, right? And volume was picking up. We took shorts right off of the bell, and we absolutely just slapped on that and making that $200. Again, going in super light. And that was my only trade for the day. My only trade for the day. And you guys can see the rest of the day just very choppy. And then obviously we're having a little bit of a run here, but it's a Friday. Hands off the computer, hands off the monitor. Don't trade. So those are the 2 trades, very simple for a Friday. But again, I'm not going to review every single one of my trades for the week because it is a recap. I do that. If you guys watch my previous videos, I do recaps every single day of that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so forth. But I just want to kind of show you guys the overall broad picture of the overall market. What are we looking like? We're finally looking like buyers are kind of in control. Buyers are trying to get this market back up to a crazy rally. And maybe hopefully next week we can continue that rally, which will look really good. So when I'm obviously looking for on a bigger time frame here is obviously we have a crazy main level of resistance here at 20546. I think if we can break above 20546, we have a lot of room to the upside, a lot of it. So again, I'm going to see and maybe wait if we can just continue that bull run. Just getting into next week. But that's kind of the recap, very strong momentum. Hopefully we can get continuation for next week. But again, hope you guys like that. Again, if you guys are new, go ahead and watch my other videos, really talk really about the strategies, the tips, the tricks, and all that good stuff. But have a beautiful rest of your Friday, a beautiful weekend, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.